Go ahead and open up your project. I want you to go to the top navigation, and at the very top we have this code for hidden, visible, and I want you to highlight it all and hit your Control / to highlight it out. Then you can close your top navigation. I want you to go to your footer navigation. The very top of your footer navigation, you'll see fixed bottom. I want you to copy the fixed bottom. Copy. Go down to the bottom here where it says footer bottom. Put a space and paste it in. And then you can remove the class from the top footer here. What that did was allow the site to scroll the bottom footer and keep the bottom fixed. The other error I noticed we had here is when you're on the website, you see you can't get a link at the very bottom. When you highlight over it, you don't get your mouse cursor. We're also missing an image here because of a spelling check. You can Google search these. If you were to Google search FA Google Square, you would have noticed it comes up with FA Google plus Square. And the reason we're not getting our link is we have our A href before our icons. We want to wrap them around our icons, like so. Get rid of these. A lot of the reasoning to learn coding like this is, okay, here's a good example of something I keep running into, and you probably have too. If you hit your F12 key, and you'll notice it's going to give you an error, closing tag A. So it gives you a hint of what's wrong here. So if I go to my A closing tags, I have an A within my LI, not outside my LI. So I'm going to cut that and put it there. And I have my page and I have my links. Let's look at what else we have here. If you notice here, we just have the dots to the left. And what I was saying is customizing your code to fit your needs. Maybe your colors, your link names you can put in the database when we use the back end. But notice this one highlights the whole color. What if I wanted to highlight the whole color here? Well, this is a list item, and this is a href. So if I go into my CSS, and look for my A link text decoration none, li hover. I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to come down and I'm going to change this to an A. So now, reload this. Oh, I got something wrong here. Let's take a look at what? li a hover. A link none. Oh, okay. So we have a link none. Let's make it important. So it overrides the other hover effects in any other class. There we go. Now we have the A. Now notice up here it doesn't do anything. So let's say you wanted to highlight these. Let's go into our HTML. I'm going to scroll up here and expand this. How do we have those written? We have these written as H6. So if I were to just say H6, copy, paste it in, now it'll highlight these. These little effects that you can create make a big difference on your site and a lot of customization that you might like to have on your site. I think we're ready to start routing and do a backup. So do a backup of your folder and let's do a full routing so we start loading pages. See you in the next video.